Hey, creators! Have a dream of seeing your fans rocking your own merch? It's more than just a cool idea. It's a fantastic way to connect with your community and build your brand. But how do you turn those loyal subscribers into happy customers? First, design with your audience in mind. What inside jokes, slogans, or designs truly represent your channel? Make it something they'll be proud to wear. Next, integrate your merch shelf directly below your videos. This makes shopping super easy while they're watching. Don't just list it, showcase it. Wear your own merch in your videos, talk about the design process, and show how awesome it looks. Run limited edition drops to create excitement and urgency. Turning fans into customers is all about creating value and making them feel like part of an exclusive club. Start designing and let your community wear their support. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more creator tips.